Well, today we will solve a problem called team number 231A, topic greedy, brute force. The problem says as follows. One day, three best friends, Petya, Vasya, and Tonya, decided to form a team and take part in programming contests. Participants are usually offered several problems during programming contests. Long before this start, the friends decided that they will implement a problem if at least two of them are sure about the solution. Otherwise, the friends won't write the problem solution. In order to understand better this exercise, let's take a look at the input. We receive 3 lines, and the output is 2. In the first line, there is 2 ones, which means that the problem was implemented because it has 2 persons that are sure. Everyone is sure, therefore we implemented. But in the third line, we have just 1 person that's sure, therefore they just resolve 2 out of 3 problems. So how can we write this? The first line that we should write is a variable called problems, which will represent the number of lines received. We transform the string into integer, and then we write a variable called count, where we initialize on 0. Here we will add the problems that were resolved. After it, we add a loop that will iterate through all the problems, and then we split each integer from each line, and we assign the integer to a person. For example, the first integer will be for Petya, the second integer will be for Vasya, and the third one will be for Tonya. After it, we sum the stored values from Petya, Vasya, and Tonya, and check if the sum is greater equal to, then we actualize the value of count plus 1. If not, then nothing is added. When we run this code, it works perfectly, it passes all the tests. In order for you to copy this code on an easier way, I have created a repo in GitHub where you can check the response of this problem and also the other ones. In case that you see any upgrade to the code, you can create a pull request. I wish you a great week. See you on the next video.